In this video, I am reviewing some of the best YouTube courses that you'll find online. So if you want to become a full-time content creator, a mom creator, aka YouTuber, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Gabrielle. I create content so that you can achieve motherhood bliss. And motherhood bliss not only involves proper childcare and other mom tips that I provide, but also how to reach financial fulfillment, professional fulfillment, and work from home doing what you love. I've had my YouTube channel for about 6 months now, so I'm still a small content creator, a small YouTuber like they say, but I have learned quite a lot along the way. Some of it just through experience, but a lot of it I had to take some courses. And I think this is very important. You have to invest in yourself if you want to grow as a content creator. From each YouTube course that I've taken, I've learned so much, but all of them have been very different. And I want to share that with you because depending on where you're at on your YouTube journey is the one that will best serve your interests. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the courses that I've taken so far are Gillian Perkins Creator Fast Track. That's the first one I'm going to review. The next one is Cannell's Video Ranking Academy. Also Graham Cochrane's YouTube Income Accelerator. And finally, Robert Benjamin's YouTube Shorts Mentorship. All of them have been great courses, don't get me wrong, but I will tell you the pros and cons of each one of them so you can make the best decision. And if you're interested in any of these courses, you can find the link in the description. And full disclosure, some of them are affiliate links, not all of them. So yes, I am also recommending certain courses that I do not have affiliate link for. If I'm promoting any of these courses, it's because I truly believe in them and that they can help you in your YouTube journey. The factors by which I am judging each one of these courses are the following. I am judging how professional they are, how their interface feels, the amount of fluff level that it has compared to right on point and concise information, the level of knowledge, and the benefits that I got from each one of them. So let's get started. When it comes to Creative Fast Track by Gillian Perkins, I can tell you that this course is very professional. I really like the interface. It's very clean and very professional. The course in general is very well thought, very well planned. The structure is great. It takes you topic by topic in the right order. Anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel will find it very useful because it guides you from the very beginning, indicating how to create your YouTube channel, how to set it up completely. It shows you on the screen how to do that. It gives you tips and recommendations on titles, descriptions. It just guides you completely from the get-go. This course is excellent for beginners, whether they have started or not. I took it when I already had a channel, but I had abandoned it for years. I created my channel over 10 years ago, and all I had published were videos of Tom Cruise and of a Metallica concert, I think. I wasn't really using it to promote anything or to create a brand or become a YouTuber. Like I said, I never thought I'd be a YouTuber. But even though I already had my channel set up, Gillian Perkins' course helped me to make sure that everything was properly configured. This course was very helpful to make sure that I did everything right. It also provides tips on how to succeed, on equipment, on filming setup, how to plan your content creation schedule, and plan everything that you want to talk about, all the topics. It even provides you with some organization skills, which you will need when you're producing a lot of videos. It even showcases one of her recordings, which I thought was great because you can see how her whole setup is and how she does it. So if you're somebody with OCD and like everything perfectly organized, you will enjoy this course a lot. I really like this course. I enjoyed it. It's not too long also. I mean, it's got pretty good content, but it's not like overly long. It's right on point. It's concise, no fluff whatsoever. I highly recommend it if you want to get started. Like, this is a perfect starting point. It's got a lot of hand holding so that you feel safe throughout the whole process of creating your YouTube channel and getting started and filming and editing and everything. And it guides you all the way on getting your first 100 subscribers and beyond. So yes, it is an excellent course. You can find the link in the description if you want to check it out. I feel I got a lot of value from it, and it's literally the first course I took that got me started. With this course, you will have everything that you need to get started when you have absolutely no clue, and yet provide you all the tips necessary to grow. The only cons that I found within the course is that every single video has this little cute intro, which at first you're like, oh, that's so cute, it looks great. But it lasts a little bit too long, so every time you start a new video, there it goes again, and there it goes again. And that's the only thing I didn't like about the course. But it's a small price to pay for a wonderful course. The next course that I took is by Think Media, and it's called Video Ranking Academy. It is one of those video courses provided by Cannell. I'm sure you've checked out Think Media on YouTube. If you haven't, I suggest you go and subscribe because it's a really, really good source of YouTube information. This course is very long. It's about 50 hours of video. The interface is on Kajabi. I purchased the package, a discounted package, where I got not only the Video Ranking Academy, they threw in a bunch of bonuses, which was awesome. I feel like this course's main focus is also to get you started, but through a different way. It gives you a lot of pep talk. It motivates you. Cannell inspires you to break that fear of getting started. And let me tell you that the fear of getting started on YouTube is real. I filmed my first YouTube videos actually last January, 7 months before posting them. I was just so scared of pressing post, which is weird because Cannell talks about just press record. Yeah, like just get it done. Start recording. It's funny that I started recording right away, but what stopped me was my fear of editing and then the fear of putting it out there. But Cannell helps with that too. He will give you a really good pep talk with a lot of wonderful tips on how to start and grow your YouTube channel. So this course I feel is a must. It's very, very, very useful. I enjoyed it a lot. You have to be patient though. You have to take it one video at a time, literally, because each video is between 15 minutes to up to 45 minutes long. They're long videos. And unfortunately, yes, I must say that one of the cons of this course is that it does have a lot of fluff. If you find the motivation as fluff, because it does get a little repetitive sometimes. I feel like the information could be provided in a more concise way. Do I think that that took away from the value of the course? No, I don't. I feel that it is adequate for certain kind of people. In my case, everything that I didn't get from Gillian Perkins's course, which was purely organizational, technical, specific, one step to the next. I feel that with Video Ranking Academy, you get all the motivation and pep talk and details that are not provided in the other course. So if you want to take both courses, that would be like the perfect complement. Like they complement each other so well that you'll be fully prepared to start on YouTube and to grow. So I completely recommend this course too. I also like how it shows you how to monetize your channel before you're even monetized on YouTube. Because as you know, you need 1,000 subscribers to start making money on YouTube from Google Ads. Yet you can make money even before that through other ways. Another one of the main focuses of this course is to show you how to make your videos rank. That means making your video show up in the search results of YouTube so that people can click on it and find it. So far, I've mentioned one of the cons only, which, like I said, is that the videos are really long and yes, there's a little bit of fluff. The other con is I feel it's not very organized to a certain extent. So it's important to take a lot of notes so that you don't miss out on anything. But what I got from this course is that I got that extra knowledge that I needed to get started, to get going, and to keep going on YouTube. Now let's talk about Graham Cochrane's course, YouTube Income Accelerator. This was the third YouTube course that I took, and I found it amazing. I really like Graham Cochrane, and yes, he does talk sometimes for a long time. His videos tend to be a bit long, but they're full of value. And most of all, I like his value system. I like how he loves providing value to people. And a lot of the value that he provides is for free if you check out his channel. This course I found amazing because it is absolutely professionally built. It is very well organized, step by step. It has no fluff. He goes straight to the point and there is like no fluff. pure value. The main focus of this course is to show you how to monetize your channel before you reach those 1,000 subscribers. A lot of the things he said I already knew from the Think Media course. I truly appreciated the way he organized it. With this course, you get quite a few bonuses, which is also very nice. I really like his teaching style. Even though he doesn't give you any fluff, he still provides lots of inspiration in his course. The cons that I find about this course is that it is not for those who are just getting started. Like, if you have no idea how to set up your channel, how to configure stuff, how to film, etc., like if you're starting from zero, this course is probably not for you yet. Or you can take it and use another course to complement it, like Gillian Perkins' course. There you will get all the technical information, all the steps to follow, etc. With Graham, what you're going to learn is how to make money online. Like I said, he's not going to show you how to set up your filming space. He's not going to show you how to create your channel and show you on the screen how to put in your email and how to do the titles. And he's not going to show you that, but he's going to give you very valuable information if you're thinking of YouTube as a business. Finally, let's talk about Robert Benjamin's YouTube course. It is called YouTube Shorts Mentorship. This one is focused mostly on YouTube Shorts. It grows your channel through them. So even if you're not only making YouTube Shorts, even if you're mostly focused on long-form content, this is a very valuable course. The extra value that I found from this course is that you can email Rob and you fill a form where he will do a YouTube audit on your channel. Like, he's going to check how your channel is going. He's going to check everything, all the mistakes you're making, and he's going to point them out. He's going to tell you, correct this, do that. He's going to guide you through the process. It is an excellent value considering the price point. He's taking the time to guide you through the process. When it comes to the course itself, it is built on Teachable, which I usually like. But I feel like the interface didn't get the necessary attention. It's not difficult to use, it's just not very aesthetically attractive. It's very, very basic. The course itself is very short, like you literally sit down and finish it in 2 or 3 hours at tops. Like, it's so quick. Another thing I didn't like about the course is that it starts out really well with the videos, which are short, which is great. Super nice, bite-sized pieces of information. I enjoy that a lot. But some of the modules are links to YouTube videos. Like, literally, he takes you to YouTube to see the information instead of inserting it on Teachable. So that's one of the things I didn't like that much. But believe it or not, this was a course that helped me grow my channel the most. Literally, the most. So if you're looking for subscribers, if you want somebody to tell you what you're doing wrong so you can fix it, this is a course for you. Now, this is not a course for beginners who haven't started the channel. This is not a course for somebody that doesn't want to do YouTube Shorts, which, by the way, I highly recommend you do. This is a course for somebody who is focused on growing their channel. If you want more subscribers, take this course. Absolutely take this course. Follow his tips or subscribe to his channel and watch all his videos, because you are going to get so much value. And another wonderful thing I found about Robert Benjamin's consulting courses is that he has some of them for free. Like, if you want to grow on Instagram, if you want to grow on TikTok and get some of that information for free, absolutely check it out. Go to his website. I will place a link to his courses in the description. All the information I'm providing to you is tried and true from my personal experience. I would never recommend something that I do not believe in. So check them out. They're amazing. And like I said, I feel the best courses that you can take that complement each other is Gillian Perkins' course with the Think Media Video Ranking Academy course. If you take those two, you're golden. Or you can also do Gillian Perkins' course and Graham Cochrane's course. I feel those two complement each other really nicely also, but I feel you're going to be missing out on some of Think Media's information, which is also very, very valuable. And once you're all set up and your channel is starting to grow, absolutely go check out Robert's course, the YouTube Shorts Mentorship. I feel that that course alone provided me the tips that I was missing from all the other courses. when it comes to growing your subscriber count. So yeah, that's a winner too. So far, I haven't found a course that actually has everything you need. I also have my eye on other courses, but for financial reasons, I'm not gonna take them right now, but I will eventually. I do have my eye on Jessica Stansbury, full content creator. I especially like her because she's a graphic designer like me, so I'm gonna check that out. I also like Ali Abdal, but his course is expensive, so I don't know that I'll take it anytime soon. And I absolutely love Adam Emfroy. He has just created a course called YouTube Growth Engine, so that is also in my radar. If I ever take those courses, I will do a review on those too, and I will publish a video on them so you can also be informed on what would be the best course for you. I feel that every time you're investing in yourself, you learn something new. If you're undecisive, place a comment below. I can guide you. You can tell me, well, this is where I'm at on YouTube, and according to this, what course do you think is best for me? Do that. Please comment below. Tell me that, where you're at, what you're interested in learning, and I can recommend which one of these courses would be best for you. And finally, when it comes to the tools that I've used on YouTube that come really handy, like TubeBuddy and vidIQ and other tools that are out there, I can tell you which ones are the best. I will make a video on that, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe so that you can be notified when this video is out. But in the meantime, I will place the links to those tools below in the description. If you're interested in learning more ways to make a passive income online and make money online, check out the next video.